Hey, beauties. Your hands are one of the first things people notice, and nails? They can say a lot about your style, health, and personality. So, let's talk about how to keep them looking fabulous. Start with basic nail care. Trim your nails regularly to prevent splits and snags, and don't forget to file them to your preferred shape. Moisturizing is key. Hands can show signs of aging, but with the right cream, you'll keep your skin soft and smooth. Why not try making your own hand and nail creams? Here's a quick DIY hand mask. Mix 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and a splash of lemon juice. Apply it to your hands, leave it for 10 minutes, and rinse. It's a hydrating treat. For extra smooth nails, try this DIY nail soak. Combine a few drops of tea tree oil with some coconut oil and soak your nails for 10 to 15 minutes. It strengthens your nails while softening cuticles. Add some fun with color. Whether it's a classic nude or bold red, nails are the perfect way to express your style. Feeling creative? Try a nail art design as simple or intricate. The choice is yours. Remember, healthy hands and nails aren't just about looks, they reflect your self-care routine. So, take a moment for yourself, and your hands will thank you. Keep your hands looking their best, because they deserve it. Don't forget to like, subscribe to Pure Beauty, and stay tuned for more content like this. Stay fabulous, and I'll see you in the next one.